Hello students, this is video for topic tessellation from page number 214. Okay, so see your first topic, see and learn. Tessellation is the art in which a geometric design or shape is repeated to form a pattern without leaving any space. Okay, so first of all try to understand it from these diagrams. See, if you see here, if you consider only one diagram, it is actually, see how many sides are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we know if 5 sides are there, pentagon, 6 sides are there, hexagon. So actually these are hexagonal shapes. And now if we arrange them, see, this is first, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. So when we arrange them in between any two hexagons, can you see any space? No space is there. Okay, so whenever we arrange any shape like this without leaving any space between two objects or two diagrams or two figures, then we say it is tessellate. Okay, so actually how we say it, see, shapes that tessellate. It means these are the shapes which we can arrange in a pattern where we will not leave any space between two figures or two shapes. So when such shapes are there where we can arrange them without leaving any space between them, then we say those shapes are tessellate or shapes that tessellate. So these are 4 examples for tessellate shapes. And here now, okay, see here also, here this is orange color triangle, this is here blue color triangle, again orange color. So if we are arranging them, no space is remaining in between any two triangles. Yes, here also see, these are different shapes here with this pink color and then this yellow color. So if you see, we can arrange them so that no space is remaining in between them. So for such shapes we say these shapes that tessellate. So these shapes follow tessellate, and this concept is called as tessellation, जहाँ पे हम shapes को ऐसे arrange कर सकते हैं कि उनके बीच में थोड़ा भी gap नहीं रहेगा, मतलब एकदम परफेक्टली वो फिक्स एक दूसरे के साथ हम उनको अरेंज कर सकते हैं. एंड नाउ अपोजिट ऑफ दिस, here also see different objects or different shapes are there, but if you see here some gap is there in between them. Here also, yes, here also some gap is there. So whenever some space is remaining, we say shapes that do not tessellate, मतलब ये shapes tessellate follow नहीं करते, tessellation follow नहीं करते. Why? Because we can arrange them, but हमें यहाँ पे थोड़ा भी gap बीच में नहीं रखना है. But here see some gaps are there. Okay, so we say these shapes does not follow or they do not tessellate. So here some examples are there. Okay, see here hexagonal pattern of honeycomb is example of natural tessellation. This is natural tessellation example. And here see one again example is given, tiling on floors. Yes, we know we fix some tiles on floors in home, so we don't keep any gap in between two tiles. Yes, so there also we can say tiles are they follow tessellation, or the shapes of tiles are tessellate. Now come to the page number 216. Last part from this lesson, symmetry. We have general idea about this, what is the meaning of symmetry and line of symmetry. Here in first example same concept is given. Figures that can be folded in halves which fit exactly are called symmetrical figures. Yes, do you remember I told you we can draw this figure on paper, then we can take that paper cutting of this diagram only. And here around this line, let us consider that line is here exactly at center. So I can fold that diagram in half. I will make half of that diagram. So whenever I fold, exactly this left hand side part will coincide on right hand side part. See here you can imagine it, or here also you can imagine. Let us consider I fold this left hand side part on right hand side. So that diagram will, or that paper cutting will look like this diagram. Yes, and again if we unfold it, so again we will get this left hand side part. So this left side part exactly match with this right hand side part, and we get such diagram. That time, or for such figures, we say those figures are symmetrical figures when we can fold them and when left side part exactly match with right part, or you can fold this right hand side part on left also. So whenever such condition is there, when we fold that diagram exactly at one line, so two parts will be identical to each other. So for such diagrams we say those are symmetrical diagrams, and that line is called as line of symmetry. This line is, dotted line is line of symmetry. And as ये डायग्राम को हम क्या कर रहे हैं, फोल्ड करने के बाद exactly मैच होता है दूसरा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पार्ट राइट हैंड साइड के पार्ट से. सो ऐसे फिगर्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं, सिमेट्रिकल फिगर्स. नाउ सी पॉइंट नंबर 2. Some examples of symmetrical figures means these figures are there where we can draw line of symmetry, जहाँ पे एक पार्ट हम फोल्ड कर सकते हैं दूसरे पार्ट के ऊपर, और वो exactly same हो गए. See here also, okay, butterfly. You can yes, let us consider I fold this left hand side part, so it will exactly match with right hand side part. And here see, if you see more lines are there. What is the meaning of this more lines? Why more lines? So consider this diagram here. More number of lines are there. It means we can fold this diagram in different ways. First of all, if we consider this line, so I will fold this left hand side part on that. Again, if I consider this line, I can fold this part which is on right hand side of that line on left hand side. So like this, here we can fold this diagram in different ways. So that's, and how many ways are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 line of symmetry are there. So here this for this diagram we can fold it in 4 different ways. But if only one line is there, it means we can fold that figure or that shape or that diagram in only one way. Okay, so these diagrams or these shapes, when we fold them, they exactly match with each other, left part with right or right part with left. But for such some diagrams, it is not possible. We can't fold those figures or shapes or diagrams where left and right part will exactly coincide. So ऐसे conditions में जहाँ पे हम वैसे fold possible नहीं है, exactly left part right के साथ match नहीं होगा, so ऐसे diagrams को हम क्या बोलते हैं, asymmetric figures. Asymmetric figures where line of symmetry not possible, क्योंकि हम fold नहीं कर सकते और fold नहीं कर सकते तो वहाँ पे line of symmetry भी नहीं होगा. Okay, so for such diagrams or shapes where line of symmetry is not possible, for those shapes we call them, or for such figures we call them as asymmetric figures. Okay, now see point number 3. We all know mirror. Yes, here mirror image concept is there. So simply if you see for these diagrams also, let us consider you keep your mirror here. Okay, here on this line if you keep your mirror like this, see here, so definitely what will happen, you will see this left hand side part exactly in the mirror like this part. Okay, so if you are keeping your mirror in like this here, so definitely in mirror you will see this part image, and you will see complete this spectacle like this only. So such concept or this concept is mirror image. Here also one example is given. See, one boy is sitting here in front of mirror Here actual boy is there, here mirror image is there. So what is the concept? We see our image in mirror. This is due to reflection. Due to reflection at the mirror, a mirror image is formed. So whenever we see in mirror, we see same object which is outside the mirror, and the image inside the mirror, it is mirror image. Okay, now come to the next page, page number 217. See here question 4. Complete each symmetric pattern with each dotted line as the line of symmetry. So what is the meaning here? See, these are incomplete diagrams. First, this diagram is given. See these green color lines. Okay, and one dotted line, red color line is there. So here it is line of symmetry. So line of symmetry अगर हमने ड्रॉ किया और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हमें ऑलरेडी दिया है, तो राइट हैंड साइड का पार्ट कैसे होगा उस डायग्राम का, वो हमें कंप्लीट करना है. Okay, in this question. Okay, so see here, now in next step, this dotted line is already there, line of symmetry. This part is already given here, and now what we are doing, see. Okay, definitely क्या होगा, आप easily कैसे find out कर सकते हो ये आंसर? You can use mirror also. So you will keep your mirror here, okay, on this line. Okay, mirror का reflective face जो है इस डायरेक्शन में होना चाहिए, मतलब हमें डायग्राम मिरर में दिखना चाहिए. So आपको मिरर में ये डायग्राम कैसे दिखेगा? Exactly like this. Okay, so here easy way is there to understand this. You can use mirror. You can do this activity at home, and then you will see that diagram like this in your mirror, and then you can draw it like this. And one more example is here also. See, now this line of symmetry is like this, so we will keep mirror also like this. Okay, and then we can see this diagram or this figure inside the mirror, this side, and how it will look like? It will look like this. So this is the concept of mirror image, or we can complete given diagrams around line of symmetry. Now come to the page number 218. Do and learn. See first question. Pick a tick. Write tick in the box if the dotted line shown in each picture is the line of symmetry. In these three figures, we have to decide this line of symmetry which is given, or this dotted line which is given, red color line, it is line of symmetry or not. तो हमें डिसाइड करना है कि वो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है कि नहीं. सो हाउ टू गेट इट? डेफिनेटली वी विल fold that diagram around this line. So if you fold this part, let us consider this part, you are folding it on upper part. Okay, this is lower part here. So if you fold it, what will happen? See, facing of this person is toward left hand side here. Okay, this side. So definitely when we fold it above this part, so what will happen? This facing will come this side, but above part में facing कहाँ पे है? Right hand side में. So definitely ये figure match नहीं होगा ऊपर के part के साथ. So I can draw here cross mark. Why? Because this is not line of symmetry. Okay, then this figure. Now here we can consider, see, if you fold left part, definitely it will exactly match with right part. So this is line of symmetry. So I am doing here right tick. Here also see now, this left part and right part, are they same? No. This, yes, here this leaf is smaller, this is bigger. So if you fold this left part, exactly वो match नहीं करेगा right part के साथ. So this is not line of symmetry. So I am drawing here cross mark. You have to complete this do and learn in your textbook with pencil. Now see, come to the question 2. Okay, just we have solved one example like this. See, this blue color part is already given. This red color dotted line as a line of symmetry, it is also given. And then we have to complete this right hand side part or this upper part. So how we will complete it actually? You can use mirror, yes, and you will keep that mirror here. So you will see this diagram inside the mirror. Okay, and you will get shape like this. So after that we can use pencil to complete this shape. Here also I am not providing this solution. First of all you have to try it. After that I will provide this solution to you. So here also you can keep your mirror here like this. Yes, and then you will see that this image of blue lines in mirror, inside mirror, and then you will complete this diagram also. Or you have to imagine how that diagram will look like, and you can complete it without using mirror also. But if you are using mirror, definitely you will get this concept more clearly. And then question 3, draw the mirror image of the following figures. Here also you can take help of your mirror. Whenever some lines are given, dotted lines, you have to keep your mirror there. Okay, here also like this I will keep, here I will keep mirror like this. Okay, and then in mirror I will see this figure how it is looking like. Okay, and then I will draw that figure there. So here see I have already completed this one. Actually this given, okay, this is given figure, and when I keep my mirror here, okay, so I will see this diagram like this. Here also try these two first, after that I will send these solutions.